Talia Potochny, and I'm a geography major at Penn State. This summer, I'm in Australia with the Penn State CHANCE program. CHANCE stands for Connecting Humans and Nature Through Conservation Experiences, and this summer we were able to partner with James Cook University and other organizations to engage in citizen science and service learning projects, such as field research with freshwater turtles, visiting the world's first ever sea turtle health research facility, cleaning up mangroves with the Nuagi people, surveying koala populations, and monitoring and restoring the Great Barrier Reef. I highly recommend doing a short-term study abroad program like CHANCE because in just 2 weeks it has taught me how complex conservation and policy can be, and it also equipped me with the knowledge and passion to make a difference toward a sustainable future. Thank you.